Good morning. It's not morning, it's afternoon. Naimbag nga malam kinyayo.
Amen.
Just finished with Tagalog WOTD, so might as well do Ilocano WOTD as well. I think it's been 2 weeks that I haven't done Ilocano WOTD, but I did Tagalog. So I owe them 2 Ilocano WOTDs. So this word, I used it earlier with you, Mudra. I said Gaw-aten. What's Gaw-aten?
You have to reach.
Gaw-aten. Tama? Sleep. Gaw-aten. Rich. Gaw-atem manday jaini. I mean if you can't reach something on the top shelf and you wanna request someone to go and get it or reach it for you. Gaw-atem manday jaini. Can you please reach that for me? Sa Tagalog. Pakiabot mo nga yun, oh. Gaw-atem manday jaini. Gaw-atem manday jaini. And I already mentioned before that ni is equivalent to Tagalog like oh, you know, it is often used with asking for favor or request, parang lambing. Yes. Pakiabot mo nga yun, oh, sa Tagalog. Gaw-atem manday jaini. Are you okay? Kasano nga? Kasano ak nga nangala ti Diyos dita?
When?
Kayat mo nga siyak ti agaramid.
Yan na, oh.
Nagadumot ti. Danum mo. Well, that's all for our WOTD. Babush everyone! Happy New Year! Happy 2018!